As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Char-Broil Performance Series and the Weber Q1000. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Char-Broil is much bigger, right?
Definitely. The Char-Broil has 475 square inches of cooking space, and the Weber only has 189. That's a big difference.
Yeah, that Char-Broil is for serious grilling, like for a family or a party. The Weber is more like a portable grill for tailgating or a small balcony.
True. And the Char-Broil has a 36,000 BTU rating, while the Weber's only got 8,500. So the Char-Broil will heat up faster and get hotter, I suppose.
Absolutely. But remember, BTU isn't everything. The Weber is known for its even heat distribution and how well it retains heat, even with fewer BTUs. It's got those porcelain-enameled cast iron grates.
The Char-Broil also has porcelain-coated cast iron grates. It also has a side burner, which could be handy for sauces. The Weber doesn't have that.
Good point. But the Weber is super compact and lightweight, only 27.5 pounds. The Char-Broil is a hefty 85 pounds. You're not exactly moving that one around easily, are you?
Nope, it's more of a stay-in-one-place kind of grill. The Weber is definitely the portable champ. What about ignition?
Both have push-button ignition. Easy peasy. The Weber comes fully assembled, which is a bonus, but the Char-Broil requires assembly.
That's good to know. So it sounds like the Char-Broil is the better choice for someone who needs a large, powerful grill with a side burner, and the Weber is the better choice for portability in smaller spaces.
Exactly. And price-wise, the Weber is cheaper at $229 compared to the Char-Broil at $369.99. So it really comes down to what you need and what you're willing to spend.
Great summary. Thanks for the help. I think I have a better idea of which one to choose now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.